Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Fitbit Sense 2, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? Let's dig in with what comes up in the packaging. In the box, you'll find the watch with a small band, a charging cable, and an additional large band. Charge your watch. To charge your Fitbit Sense 2, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 12-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1 to 2 hours. Set up with app. First, download the Fitbit app, Apple App Store for iPhones and Google Play Store for Android phones. Install the app and open it. If you already have a Fitbit account, log in to your account. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions to connect Sense 2. Then tap on the profile circle, go to Set up a device, and select Sense 2. Choose Replace the device and pair it with your watch. Set location permissions and background location permissions. And tap Done. After this, you will receive a 4-digit pairing code. Enter it, and you will be paired successfully. Navigate Sense 2. Sense 2 has a color AMOLED touchscreen display and one button. The home screen is the clock. Swipe down to see quick settings. Swipe up to see your notifications. Swipe left or right to see your tiles. Press the button to open the apps menu or return to the clock face. Button shortcuts. Press the button to return to the clock face, then press it again to open the app list. Hold the button for 1 second to activate a feature of your choice. Double press the button to open shortcuts to your voice assistant, quick settings, notifications, and contactless payment. Adjust the settings. Manage these basic settings in the Settings app. In the Display settings, you can adjust brightness, screen wake, screen timeout, and always on display. In Vibration and Audio, you can adjust vibration and microphone access. Notifications show on red indicators. In Quiet modes, you will find Focus mode, Do Not Disturb, Sleep mode, and Alexa notifications. In Voice Assistant, you can turn the Voice Assistant on or off and adjust audio feedback. In About Sense 2, you can set the system info, regulatory info, and factory reset. To turn off your watch's screen, briefly cover the watch face with your opposite hand or turn your wrist away from your body. Key features: understand stress, then minimize its effects. Better sleep, improved mood, more energy. Managing stress with Sense 2 can help you get there. Check your sleep score to learn about the quality of your previous night's sleep and get a breakdown of time in light, deep, and REM sleep with Premium. Sense 2 Plus Premium helps illuminate changes in your wellness. Check your health metrics dashboard to see heart rate variability, skin temperature variation, SpO2, and more. Heart rate tracking surfaces insights from your sleep, stress, activity, and more, while high and low heart rate notifications keep a close eye on your heart rate. Track 40+ exercise modes and use built-in GPS for real-time pace and distance. Premium uses data about your body to uncover your unique health patterns. Activity, sleep, nutrition, and stress are all considered. Then you receive personalized, actionable insights that empower you to make better choices. Get turn-by-turn directions, pay instantly, and save time with Google Maps and Google Wallet on your wrist. Beyond with the thin, lightweight design. Check your daily readiness score to see if you are up for a challenging workout. Activity and wellness. Sense 2 continuously tracks a variety of stats whenever you wear it, including hourly activity, heart rate, and sleep. Data automatically syncs with the Fitbit app throughout the day. Sense 2 personalizes your heart rate zones using your heart rate reserve, which is the difference between your maximum heart rate and your resting heart rate. Bits of Google. There is a Fitbit app that Google technically owns, and you do get stuff like Google Wallet. So, you are going to be able to make payments with Sense 2 using your wrist, and of course, it can integrate with Health Connect. So, how can you use it? Follow these steps. Change your default card. Force restart. To restart your watch, press and hold the button for 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and then release the button. Restarting your watch doesn't delete any data. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Heart rate signal missing. GPS signal missing. Environmental conditions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Sense 2. See you in the next one.